was soup day, and this morning we made a tally chart about our soup. What do people notice up on the tally chart? You can tell me something they notice about our tally chart. I'll tell you?
There's only 2 there. There's only 2 there.
Oh, to where?
2 at the
Halal.
halal
Yeah.
and chicken.
Right.
Tomato.
Tomato. So 2 halal and 2 tomato. Okay. Who else can tell me something they notice about our tally chart? Jordan, what do you notice?
And 1 dip.
Right. One person wants
Vegetable.
Right. Okay. What else can people tell me about our tally chart? Shyla?
Chicken is the most whatever they want.
Okay. How do you know that chicken is the most?
Because there's
It's Shyla's turn. So it's Shyla's turn. So Shyla, let's try it again. Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people want chicken.
9.
9.
9 people want chicken. Okay. Now, who else can tell me something they notice about the tally chart? Jean, what do you notice?
But this has 1, 2, and those not the most, but this is the most.
That's right. So these ones, halal and tomato, are not the most, but are they the least? Jean?
Yeah.
Are they the least?
The one.
They're smaller, but are they the least?
No.
What?
They're not these.
Which one's the least?
So this one.
Oh, this one has the most. Chicken has the most. Halal and tomato, you said have 2, but are they the least?
No.
No. Dewan. Dewan, come over here so you can see better.
But all them say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9.
9,
Yeah.
10, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So how many people are in soup today, Jean?
14.
Okay. So now Jean told us something that was kind of interesting. Jean, have a seat. Jean told us that chicken had the most. He said that halal and tomato were tied. They don't have the most, but he said they don't have the least. What can you tell me then? You can kind of add to Jean's thoughts. Divya?
Well, there's kind of different. This one has most.
Right.
This one has a second least. This one has a third least, and this is even the least.
Oh, so hold on. So if we were going to start over here with most, you can put that back there, Divya, that's okay. Have a seat for a minute. So you're saying most over here,
Yeah.
and we're going to put least over here.
Second least.
No, wait 1 second, because I'm going to do it from here. So she said that chicken is the most. Then she said that second least is halal. Third least is,
Tomato.
okay.
And the least is vegetables.
Now, that being true, with chicken being the most, halal being the second least, tomato being the third least, and vegetable being the least, how many does chicken have?
9.
Okay. How many does halal have? Aliha, how many people picked halal?
2.
Okay. How many people picked tomato?
2.
How many?
2.
Okay. And how many people picked vegetable?
1.
Okay. You don't have to come up right now. So you said that halal was the second least and tomato was the third least. What do you notice about halal and tomato? Najma?
Because one is like a straight line, and then one has a cutty stuff.
Okay, but let's stop for a minute. Let's look here. Halal had 2 votes. Tomato has 2 votes. Divya told me that halal had the second least and tomato had the third least, but both halal and tomato have 2 votes. So what does that mean about halal and tomato?
Leave the one.
What does that mean about halal and tomato?
That's a tie.
So, if this is a tie, then this has the most, and this has the least, and this number shows up where? What do we call it when it's kind of between 2 things? Most over here, least over here. This one is smack dab in the mid.
Most.
Well, it's not the most, and it's not, these are just showing it out. Let's think for a minute. It's not the most, Cardoza. It's not the least. It's right in the, it's right in the middle. It's our middle number. And it happens to be a tie. So with that, I'm going to give you a thinking question that I want you to do separately. I want you to think about, why do you think chicken was so popular, and why do you think vegetable was so not popular?